friends, welcome back to my channel Saira's Creations, and I hope you are enjoying a beautiful summer. Today I'm here with another sewing project as I'm working on a wedding project, and I thought why not share with my friends, my followers and subscribers how to add professionally bra cups or any kind of cups into your corset or wedding dress, prom dress, party dress, wherever you want to add it. This project is really easy, but if you are not professional or if you don't have a practice how to add them, you can harm somebody's dress. So be careful. You should try or practice before you are doing to somebody's dress. And also I always require to my clients that would be more better if they bring their cup size, so in that way I don't have a hard time to find their size. So let's go ahead and start it. All right friends, as you can see, I have already added one, and this is very adjustable because each human All right, as you can see, we have pinned up our center part, and the one main thing also you have to remember that these corners, they are on the armhole side and the round part is in the center side. So simply we have to make a knot with our thread, and just gonna take 2 times from inside out and cut extra thread 1, and this one is 2 times. All right, so the third time when we are doing from inside out needle, we're just gonna hold on to our thread hole and making our first loop. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So you can do with your dress adjustment. Like if the person is bigger, you can make a couple more loops, otherwise the 9 to 10s are fine. But this dress is an extra large size, I'm gonna do a couple more. All right, and simply take your needle and bring inside from this thread. Okay, and now you can just couple more stitches just to make sure your thread is secure. You know, And that's it. Just gonna make a little knot as we already secure our dress. That's it. I'm gonna repeat same method on the bottom side so you guys can learn one more time. Same way we are making knot. Here you go. And on a center area. One, two, and the third time just bringing needle out or holding onto your thread. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7. And that's actually making chain knot. Okay, the same way, take your needle inside out, so in that way you are securing that chain. All right, and then as you can see, they are very secure and adjustable, and especially when you have a corset on a bag, or you know, it's so easy to, you can move them anywhere where you feel comfortable. Right, as you can see, we have did this quicker project today. And just adding them, they give a professional and very like neat look to your wedding dress. And I'm sure you guys like this project. If you really like, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Saira's Creations. God bless you all. Bye-bye.